In this video, you will learn how to enable Dial Assist on the Truecaller app. Open the Truecaller app. Launch the Truecaller app on your smartphone. Make sure to be logged into your account and connected to the internet. Go to Settings menu. Tap on the profile icon or three dotted menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then make sure to select Settings from the list. Navigate to General Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General to access the General app preferences or even calling options. Find the Dial Assist option. Look for the Dial Assist feature. This settings helps automatically add the correct country code when you make an international call. Enable Dial Assist. Tap on the toggle switch next to the Dial Assist to turn it on. Once enabled, the Truecaller will automatically detect and format numbers correctly for your region. Save and exit the settings. After enabling the feature, press back or close the settings menu. The Dial Assist option will now be active on your Truecaller app. Now you know. Now you know how to enable the Dial Assist on the Truecaller app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.